Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add video onto your Gumtree ad. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gumtree website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right section and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to post an ad along with a video, click on the cell option at the top right corner in order to create this ad. You can then choose the category or load a previous draft if you wish to do so. After choosing your category as well as location, you will be allowed to post your ad. Now, within the photos section, you can click on the plus icon to upload your picture if you wish. And right underneath this option, you will find the add a YouTube video link option. You can just click on this and you will be allowed to enter your YouTube link. Just copy the link to your YouTube video and then paste it right in this box. Now, while you cannot upload an actual video file, you can still upload your video on YouTube and then enter this link, by which your viewer will be able to play the video directly. Now, after entering the link, proceed forward with the title, description, as well as your price settings. And once your ad has been finalized, you can click on Post My Ad, and your ad will be posted on your Gumtree account along with the link with your YouTube video. And there you have it. That is how you can add a video onto your Gumtree ads. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.